You're in a new city surrounded by locals. How do you ask to use the bathroom? How do you ask where the nearest restaurant is? How do you simply communicate? Well, in this lecture, we will focus on all of that. So, I will begin by a few keywords such as bathroom, bakery, museum, and shopping mall. So, toilette is the bathroom. Toilette. Boulangerie is a bakery. Boulangerie. Musée is a museum. Musée. And centre commercial is your shopping mall. Centre commercial. I have added a few more words that I think would help you when asking for directions. So I have droite, which means right. Droite. Gauche, which means left. Okay? Droite to your right, gauche to your left. Nord, sud, ouest et est. North, south, west, and east. Okay? Nord, sud, west, et est. Okay? So just a reminder of what those mean. I will do a drawing for you. Okay? Ouverte means open. Maybe you see a sign on a restaurant or someone tells you this. Fermé means closed. So ouverte, open, fermé, closed. Now, let's put this all together and I will give you some very important keywords so that you can combine them into phrases and sentences.